vertical screw propeller is very different from traditional propellers. It is powerful enough to easily tow large cargo ships. The key is that it can change the direction of the propeller's rotation to apply thrust precisely in a specific direction. The mechanical structure that changes the direction is ingeniously designed. Let's go to details. First, the propeller blades, changing the direction of the connecting link mechanism. The blades can be adjusted synchronously. The hydraulic pump provides power support for the movement of the lever. The gears get power through the transmission shaft and drive the system. The source of power is the main engine. The two propellers have its own independent engines. The power generated by the engine is transmitted to the shaft. Here are two types of couplings for the connection. The first is an elastic coupling. It buffers vibrations and transmits power due to the rubber material inside. The second is a hydraulic coupling. Its working medium is hydraulic oil. You can see the blades inside rotating synchronously. There are also blades with the same structure inside. Hydraulic oil fills the space between the two blades. When it rotates, it will drive the internal hydraulic oil to rotate, then drives the driven shaft, and finally drives the propeller to rotate. It's similar to a clutch. When the engine speed is reduced, it stops transmitting power to the driven shaft. When speed increased, the flow rate of the internal hydraulic oil increases and increases the pressure on the driven shaft, which drives the driven shaft to rotate. The power is then transmitted to the gears, driving the entire propulsion system to operate. However, the boat will not move because the propeller blades are in a zero thrust position. Once the blade orientation is adjusted, the system will generate thrust, and the ship can move forward. After changing the blade angle, the direction of the water flow will change and generate thrust, which pushes the ship forward. If the blades are adjusted to the opposite direction, the ship will move backward. By separately controlling the rotation directions of the two propellers, the ship can move in any direction. The control system consists of three core components. First, the steering wheel. The second is the drive pitch adjustment lever. And the third is the RPM control system. The RPM control system is responsible for adjusting the speed. The pitch adjustment lever is used to change the blade's direction, to control the amount of water entering and leaving. The steering wheel directly adjusts the direction of the blades to guide the direction of the ship. Only by coordinating the operation of these three components can we successfully drive the tugboat. This type of tugboat is also equipped with a fire pump. The drive shaft drives the compressor to operate. The compressor sucks in seawater from outside and then spray it forward at high pressure, which can be used to extinguish fires on cargo ships. The hull of the tugboat is made of 6 steel plates, which is strong and durable, so it can sail at high speed in various waters. In addition, the hull is equipped with fixed guide fins, also known as stabilizing fins, which can effectively improve the stability of the ship. Thanks for watching.